When it's time to remove your Freedom Top, you'll need the help of at least one other person. A toolkit is provided in the center console and includes everything needed for installation and removal. To remove the hardtop, first you'll have to remove both Freedom Top panels, starting with the driver's side. Start by opening both front doors and folding the sun visors down against the windshield. Now, turn the L-shaped locks from the front and rear center of the roof panel. Then turn the L-shaped lock located on the outboard side of the panel, above the shoulder belt anchorage. Unlatch the header panel latch located at the top of the windshield and remove the panel. Follow the same steps to remove the passenger side panel. Store your panels in the storage bag if equipped and secure the bag in a safe location. With the Freedom Top panels removed, you can now remove the rest of the hardtop. Open the rear doors and use the provided number 50 Torx head driver and ratchet to remove the Torx head screw that secures the hardtop at the B-pillar near the top of each front door. If equipped, remove the lower interior soft trim panel attached by the hook and loop fastener. Then, use the number 50 Torx head driver and ratchet to remove the 6 Torx head screws that secure the hardtop to the back of the cab. You'll find the wiring harness on the left rear inside corner of the vehicle. To access the harness, push on the right side of the plastic cover and slide it off. To release the harness, pull back on the latch, then push down on the button while pulling the harness out. Using the vehicle's key blade, pry off the storage cover located in the left side rear quarter trim. Tuck the wire harness inside and replace the cover. Now, with the help of at least one other person, you can remove the hardtop from the vehicle and place it on a soft surface to prevent damage. If you plan on leaving the top off, store the Torx head screws in the fastener bin below the rear seat. When it's time to reinstall the hardtop, make sure that any soft top components have been removed. This includes the door frames and the belt rail. With the help of at least one other person, lift the hardtop into place on the vehicle and make sure it's sitting flush with the body at the sides and across the back. Pry off the storage cover with your key blade, pull out the wire harness, and replace the cover. Remove the harness cover from inside of the hardtop, attach the harness, lock the latch, and replace the cover. Now use the number 50 Torx head driver and ratchet to install the 6 screws that secure the top to the vehicle, being careful not to cross-thread or over-tighten. If equipped, attach the lower interior soft trim panel with the hook and loop fastener. With the rear doors open, install the number 50 Torx head screws that secure the hardtop at the B-pillar near the top of each front door. Next, with the front doors open and the sun visors down against the windshield, install the passenger side Freedom Top panel and latch the header panel latch. Now, turn the L-shaped locks to secure the panel in place. Repeat this process on the driver's side and installation is complete. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.